Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel Pooja Ishwar. Today I am solving some more important problems of commerce which have the maximum probability of appearance in the upcoming UGC NET 2024 as well as KCET exams. So now let us solve an important problem to calculate sales. So the question is, what would be the amount of sales? They are asking the amount of sales when opening stock rupees 50,000, purchases rupees 1,50,000, wages rupees 20,000, closing stock rupees 40,000 and gross profit 1/7 of sales. This is the question. Now let us solve the problem. First we have to solve the problem like this. Let the sales be X because we don't know the sales. We need to calculate the sales. Then the formula is sales plus closing stock is equal to opening stock plus purchases plus wages plus gross profit. So you may have a question that how this formula came. So this is nothing but sales closing stock. These are nothing but the credit side item of the P&L account, trading and P&L account, and these are all the debit side items of trading and P&L account. So this is the formula. Let us calculate sales. We have assumed as X. Closing stock rupees 40,000 is equal to opening stock rupees 50,000 here. Then purchases 1,50,000 plus wages 20,000 here plus gross profit 1/7 of sales. They have said 1/7 of X. Then let us simplify the formula. X plus 40,000 is equal to 2,20,000 plus 1/7 of X. So then X plus 40,000 is equal to 2,20,000. So 1X is equal to X divided by 7. Then X is equal to 2,20,000. So take this side, right side. 40,000 plus 40,000 becomes minus 40,000. 2,20,000 minus 40,000 and the X divided by 7 as it is. Then X is equal to 1,80,000 plus, that is 2,20,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 1,80,000 plus X by 7 as it is. Then X. So minus X by 7, that is here, plus X by 7 becomes minus X by 7 is equal to 1,80,000 as it is. So here is the continuation of the answer. X minus X divided by 7 is equal to 1,80,000. Here take the LCM 7, denominator as 7. So here 1 7 za. 7 1 za. So 7x minus x. Then 6x is equal to 1,80,000. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6x divided by 7 is equal to 1,80,000 as it is. Then 6x is equal to, we have to multiply this, 7 into 1,80,000. So 6x as it is, 1,80,000 into 7. The answer is 12,60,000. So take x as it is, 12,60,000 divided by, here the multiplication becomes division, 6. So the answer will be 2,10,000. So the amount of the sales will be 2,10,000. The next important problem is on calculating working capital. So question is, consider the given data. Proprietary ratio is equal to 0.75, current ratio is equal to 2:1, proprietary fund is equal to 60,000, fixed asset is equal to 50,000. The working capital will be, we need to calculate the working capital. So the formula is for proprietary ratio, they have given proprietary ratio. From that we need to calculate the working capital. Proprietary ratio is equal to fixed assets divided by proprietary fund, that is equal to 0.75. They have given in the question. Then therefore fixed assets is equal to 0.75 of proprietary fund. They have given. Therefore the net working capital is equal to 0.75. So how it comes? It means total will be 1. So in that minus 0.75. That is proprietary ratio. If we have deducted, we will get the net working capital. So 0.25 of 60,000 will be 15,000. So the working capital will be rupees 15,000. Next important problem is on how to calculate operating leverage. The question is, consider the following: sales given rupees 60,000, variable cost rupees 25,000, fixed cost rupees 30,000. What is the operating leverage? So the answer is operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by net operating income. Contribution is nothing but sales minus variable cost. So sales 60,000 minus variable cost 25,000 whole divided by net operating income is calculated by deducting sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. 60,000 minus 25,000 minus 30,000, 5,000. So 60,000 minus 25,000 will be 35,000. Then in this answer is 5,000. So 35,000 divided by 5,000, 5 ones are 5 sevens are. The answer will be 7. Here the operating leverage is 7. So the next problem is to calculate the beginning balance of the account receivables. Some kind of the problems they will be asking, means they are giving here the ending balance of the account and we need to calculate the opening balance of that account by going reverse to the account. So now let us see the question. The ending balance of the accounts receivable account was rupees 12,000. Service billed to customer rupees 21,500 and the collection on account from customer rupees 23,600. The beginning balance of the accounts receivable was, they are asking us to calculate the beginning balance of the account receivable account. So we from that account we need to make it a formula, that is one side the debit items and one more side the credit items will come. From that we need to calculate the formula. Closing balance is equal to opening balance plus services minus the collection, because it is already collected. So closing balance they have given 12,000. Then here the opening balance 23,600. 23,600 is collection. This the minus here becomes plus 23,600. Then minus 21,500. These are the services billed to customers. 21,500 is equal to, we will get the opening balance. So 12,000 plus 23,600 minus 21,500. So the opening balance of the account receivables account will be 14,100. So like this we need to calculate the balances when they have given ending balance. Next problem is on how to calculate the gross profit. The question is, stock turnover ratio 6 times, average stock rupees 8,000, selling price is equal to 25% above the cost. They are asking what is the amount of gross profit. First, stock turnover ratio they have given. So let us write down the formula. Stock turnover ratio is equal to cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So stock turnover ratio they have given 6 is equal to cost of goods sold we don't know. So let us take X divided by average stock they have given 8,000. So the cost is equal to 8,000 into 6, that is 48,000. So the cost is 48,000. Then selling price we need to calculate. 48,000, this is the cost. They have said the selling price will be 25% above the cost. 25% of 48,000. So 48,000 plus 25% of 48,000 will be 12,000. So 48,000 plus 12,000 is equal to 60,000. So this we can calculate the gross profit. We have calculated cost and we have also calculated selling price. So now we can calculate gross profit 60,000. Selling price 60,000 minus cost 48,000. The answer will be 12,000. 12,000 is nothing but the gross profit. This is way to calculate gross profit when they have given stock turnover ratio.